In the following video, I'm going to show any Samsung user how to ensure that they have the latest version of the Butterfly app. There are several ways to do this. If you have your icon readily available on your home screen, what we're looking for is the Play Store. If you don't have it readily available, you can swipe up, and in the search field, you could type Play Store. Now, I'm going to go back to my home screen, click on Play Store, and what we want to do in the very top of the search field is type in Butterfly. When we do that, you'll see this icon that says Butterfly IQ Ultrasound pop up. And when we click that, you can see that it is showing the words open. So if you have the latest version, it's going to say open. If you have a version that needs to be updated, you'll see the update button here. You would click it and follow the prompts. Now, there's another way to see if the app is updated, and that's you can do this actually within the app. At the upper left-hand corner, there is a down arrow button that I'm going to press. And you can see now at the bottom of the screen, we have 5 icons. We're going to go to the icon at the far bottom right with the circle, and we're going to go into the My Probe setting. And when we do that, if we look over to the right, we can see that it says up to date. If it is not up to date, it's going to say update. So those are the 2 ways that any Samsung user can ensure that the Butterfly app is up to date.